In this video, I will guide you on how to create and manage your username. First, you want to launch open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the app since this is a new feature. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings. Now you want to tap on Account, then tap on Username. Now to create your username, you can tap on the Create Username option, or you can use your Instagram username or Facebook username. Now go ahead and type in your username over here. Make sure that you meet the criteria and also make sure that the username is available. Now tap on the Save option. As you can see, you have reserved your username. Now tap on the Done option. Now, in order to manage your username, you can tap on the Edit option at the top right corner of your screen. From here, if you want to change your username, tap on Change Username option and then select a new one, or you can also delete your existing username. For that, you can tap on the Delete Username option. Here, tap on Delete one more time to confirm. In this way, you can create and manage your username on WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.